What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Welfz, and we back in the fucking studio. So I'm about to show y'all motherfuckers how to turn into fucking Kankan with your fucking vocals. This is how you get your vocals like Kankan. Like here, let me show you. Let me show you what I sound like on this bitch. First step,
you gotta turn your auto all the way up there. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
you gotta turn that auto tune all the way up. All the way up. And then you get the preset, right? You get the preset on this bitch. You feel me? Where the fuck is it? Dumbass nigga. So what we did is we just looked up Kankan preset band lab here by letroy. We just did this shit by letroy. This is how you gotta do it, bro. So you get the Kankan preset. You gotta turn. Yo, there's no fucking way. Yeah, see, you gotta turn the auto tune all the way up, bro. So you go here and you get the Kankan preset by letroy, and you gotta turn the auto tune all the way up, bro. Like actually. And what's it called? You gotta turn the, like, niggas don't tell you this shit, but for your ad-libs, like on some real shit, you gotta fucking reverb the fuck out of your ad-libs, bro. Just turn the reverb all the way up, bro. Like all the way up. Here, y'all can listen to it. Yeah, But I ain't on my Kankan preset right now. But hold up. Let me show y'all that Kankan preset. Here. Yeah, yeah. That's that Kankan. Yeah, yeah. Like, bro, I'm shit posting like a motherfucker, bro. There's no way. Yeah, 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 yeah.
She wanna suck my dick, a dog, my dog, a dog, a dog. Got me going crazy the way she gobble, gobble, gobble. I get what I want 'cause I'm a papa, papa, papa.